The cause of a slow Windows 11 PC is often pre-installed or bundled apps that take up valuable storage space and system resources. Many of these apps you'll likely never use, and removing them is one of the easiest ways to clean up your system and potentially boost performance. In this video, we're counting down 13 apps that most users can safely uninstall. From the redundant to the resource hogging, discover which programs are worth keeping and which are just cluttering your PC. Most people don't need McAfee, because Windows 11 includes the built-in Microsoft Defender for core antivirus protection, which is strong enough for most home users. It's free, automatically updated, and good at blocking viruses and malware with a low system impact. McAfee requires a paid subscription, can hog system resources, and needs to be installed and managed separately. However, you may choose McAfee for more comprehensive security, especially for sensitive data or business. Most people also don't need Norton Antivirus because Microsoft Defender, the built-in antivirus, offers strong protection and runs quietly in the background without slowing your system significantly. If you're a typical home user who browses safely and avoids suspicious links and downloads, you should use Microsoft Defender, and paying for Norton Antivirus isn't worth it. However, Norton provides extra features and more advanced security that some users may need for business or higher-risk activities. You generally don't need CCleaner for Windows 11 as built-in tools like Disk Cleanup and Storage Sense handle basic maintenance, and Microsoft even offers its own PC manager. However, some users still find it useful for specific tasks like managing startup items or browser plugins. For most users, Windows 11's built-in tools are sufficient and safer. If you choose to use CCleaner, stick to basic file cleanup and startup management, and avoid using the Registry cleaner, as it offers little benefits and carries risks. Windows 11 manages the registry effectively, and manual cleaning by Wise Registry Cleaner is generally unnecessary for a healthy system. The registry is a database, so its size doesn't slow down modern systems, and the performance boost from cleaning is usually unnoticeable. Some registry cleaners can delete important registry entries, leading to broken apps, system errors, and even require a full Windows reinstall. While online shopping extensions can be useful, they pose risks to your security and privacy. The main dangers arise from the extensive permissions these extensions often require to function. Free extensions often collect your browsing and shopping data. Many extensions require broad permissions to read and change all your data on the websites you visit. This can include access to your browsing history and items in your online carts. This data is often collected to build user profiles for targeted advertising, or can be sold to third parties. Antivirus browser extensions may seem like a good idea, but they're generally unnecessary for most web users, because current web browsers already have built-in protections against malicious websites, often using services like Google Safe Browsing. Also, your existing antivirus runs its own protection in the background, providing another layer of security at the system level. Some of these extensions can collect a lot of data about the websites you visit and your browsing habits, raising privacy issues. They can also slow down your browser's performance and may incorrectly flag safe websites as malicious, interrupting your browsing. For these reasons, we recommend that you use the security features already integrated into your browser and operating system and rely on your antivirus. Installing unreliable VPN extensions, especially free ones, poses security and privacy risks that often outweigh any benefits. Many unreliable VPN extensions log and collect user activity, including browsing history, search queries, IP addresses, and personal details. This data is often sold to advertisers for profit and usually lacks clear privacy policies and responsive customer support. To protect yourself, avoid installing random VPN extensions from the Chrome Web Store. You should only download VPN extensions from reputable developers with transparent no-logging policies. Windows 11 doesn't require Java for general use. The only time you would need it is if you run specific older applications or enterprise software that relies on the Java runtime environment to function. Most new applications, especially those built for Windows 11, are designed to run without a separate Java installation. We recommend you install Java only when an application specifically tells you it needs it. If you do need Java for a specific program, it's a good idea to keep it updated to the latest version to reduce security risks. Unless you regularly download big software, videos, or batches of files, you don't need a separate download manager. For most people who download small files occasionally, the built-in browser downloader is sufficient, and modern browsers can now handle many downloads well. Some download managers, especially free ones, can violate your privacy, bundle unwanted programs, and request broad permissions, like writing to external storage. You can safely uninstall Microsoft Silverlight, as support for it ended in October 2021, and modern browsers no longer support it. The only browser that still works with Silverlight is Internet Explorer, which was discontinued years ago. Unless you're using an old app that still relies on it, Silverlight is obsolete and should be removed for better security and performance. Developers have moved to more secure technologies, which replaced Silverlight's functions. Most people don't need advanced video or photo editors, like Adobe Photoshop or After Effects. They usually take up a lot of space on your computer and are packed with so many features that it's easy to get lost and frustrated. Basic and intermediate editors, like Canva, DaVinci Resolve, Clipchamp, and Paint.net, are sufficient for most people with social media and personal projects. Advanced software is more aimed at professional photographers or videographers requiring specialized effects, motion graphics, and high-level color grading, rather than general users. iTunes on Windows 11 isn't strictly necessary anymore, as Apple split its functions into separate apps from the Microsoft Store. But it can still be used if you prefer one app for all your music and media, and for users who need to sync media to Apple devices. The new apps handle music, video, and device syncing separately, so Apple is phasing out iTunes, but it's still useful for specific tasks like managing older media. Windows 11 doesn't require Adobe Acrobat Reader, as modern browsers like Edge, Chrome, and Firefox already have a built-in PDF reader and annotation tools, allowing you to highlight, draw, add text, and sign documents directly within the browser without needing extra software. For viewing, printing, and basic editing, you probably don't need Adobe Reader, but if you need advanced functions, you may consider it. If you want to stay up to date with more insightful content like this, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To receive notifications whenever our channel posts new content, you can also click on the bell icon.